Okay, today I'd like to show you a really cool compact fluorescent LED line manufactured by Olympia Lighting. The three I have to show you today is a 9, 12, and 15 watt. It does a 18, 26, or 32 watt. So we'll start with the 9 watt right here. This is this is the 18 watt compact fluorescent, and this is the 9 watt replacement LED. A little bit shorter. It is a little bit wider, so it should be no problem usually with these type of fixtures that these go in, especially if it's in the down can. But it's a 9 watt, replaces an 18 watt. Comes in a bunch of different colors: 27, 3000, 4000, and 5000K. And then here's the 26 watt replacement. This is a 26 watt triple, 26 watt quad, and this is the 12 watt LED replacement. Same base, G24, only uses 12 watts instead of 26. Same 50,000 hour, 5-year warranty here. And then last is the 32 watt. The replacement, LED replacement, is 15 watts. As you can see, it's about the same size. 50,000 hour, 5-year warranty. Comes in same colors: 27, 3, 35, 4, and 5K. That's about it. If you have any questions, just give us a call at the phone number at the end of the video. Thank you.